In this video, the chapter number 5th of class 6 and that is fractions. In the last video, we have completed chapter number 4th. So now let's see the next chapter, chapter number 5th, fractions. So students, first of all, what is a fractions? Fractions. So students, what is a fractions? So the number, the numbers of the form a upon b, where a and b are natural number. Natural numbers are known as fractions. So what is a fractions? So the numbers of the form a upon b, where a and b are natural numbers, are known as fractions. For example, 2/3, a is 2 and b is 3, and 2 and 3 are natural number. So 2/3 is a fractions. 5/11, 11/7, 19/11, all are fractions. And in a upon b, we called in a upon b, we call a as numerator and b as denominator. Okay, so a is numerator and b is denominator. Okay, next, various types of fractions. Next, various types of fractions. So student, next topic है various types of fractions. First, proper fractions. So students, next topic है various types of fractions. First, proper fractions. So a fractions was numerator is less than its denominator. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fractions. So proper fraction is denominator is less than denominator. So numerator is less than denominator. It's called proper fractions. For example, 2/3, numerator is 2 and denominator is 3. So numerator is less than denominator. Okay, so 2 is less than 3. Next, 5/11, numerator is 5 and denominator is 11. So 5 is less than 11 and 5/11 is a proper fractions. Okay. Next, 11/17, 23/31. Okay, so all fractions are proper fractions. Okay. Next types, second, improper fraction. Second type है improper fractions. So a fractions was numerator is more than its denominator. It's called improper fractions. So students, next type, improper fractions. So a fraction was numerator is more than its denominator. It's called improper fractions. So numerator is more than denominator. Okay. For example, 3/2. So numerator is 3 and denominator is 2. So 3 is more than 2. So 3/2 is a improper fractions. Next, 11/7. Numerator is 11 and denominator is 7. So 11 is more than 7. So 11/7 is a improper fractions. 15/9. So numerator is 15 and denominator is 9. So 15 is more than 9. 21/13. So numerator is 21 and denominator is 13. So 21 is more than 13. So 21/13 is improper fractions. So all fractions are improper fractions. Okay. So first types, proper fractions. Proper fractions is numerator is less than denominator. Second type, improper fraction, numerator is more than denominator. Okay. Next, third type, mixed fractions. Next है third type, mixed fractions. So a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fractions. A proper fractions is called mixed fractions. So student, next mixed fraction. So a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fractions is called a mixed fractions. So mixed fractions equal to natural number plus proper fractions. So mixed fraction equal to natural number plus mixed fractions. For example, 2 1 upon 2. So 2 is natural number. 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay. So 2 is natural number plus 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 is a proper fractions. So natural number plus proper fraction is called mixed fractions. So 2 and 1 upon 2 is mixed fractions. Second, 5 3 upon 7. So 5 is natural number and 3 upon 7 is a proper fractions. Next, 9 3 upon 5. So 9 is natural number and 3 upon 5 is proper fraction. So 9 and 3 upon 5 is a mixed fractions. 11 3 upon 5, 3 upon 7 and 3 upon 4. Okay. So 11 3 upon 4, 11 is natural number, 3 upon 4 is a proper fraction. So 11 and 3 upon 4 is a mixed fractions. So all examples are mixed fractions. Okay. Next type, fourth. Next, fourth type, like fractions. So student, next type है fourth, like fractions. So fractions having same denominator. Fractions having the same denominator. The same denominator are called like fractions. Are called like fraction. So student, fourth type, like fractions. So like fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. For examples, 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9, 7 upon 9, 15 upon 9, 17 upon 9. So 2 upon 9, 4 upon 9, 5 upon 9. So all denominators are same. Okay. So fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. So all fractions are like fractions. Next, fifth types, unlike fractions. So next, unlike fractions. Fractions having the different denominator. Fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fractions. Are called unlike fraction. For example, 2 upon 3, 5 upon 9, 11 upon 15, 21/8, 33/15. So first denominator 9, second first 3, 9, 15, 8 and 15. Okay, 20. So 3, 9, 15, 8, 20. All denominators are different, so all fractions are unlike fractions. Okay, so students, like fractions, the fractions having the same denominator are called like fractions. Second, unlike fractions, fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fractions. Okay, so students, definitions of fractions and next topic the various types of fractions is complete. Okay, इसके अंदर और भी फ्रैक्शंस होते हैं, यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस. ओके, सो बट लाइक, अनलाइक, प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर, मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस कंप्लीट. एंड नेक्स्ट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 5A. सो एक्सरसाइज 5A इन नेक्स्ट क्लास. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.